Spring is sprung here at Designated Drinker Show, for sure, right? We're getting all happiness and feelings and everything. So we're gonna make a rose water syrup to use in your cocktails. And we're gonna do it not just using the rose water that you buy in the grocery store, which you totally can. We're gonna use a rose tea, just a sweet rose tea, and we're gonna put it into hot water. And you want it to be a little bit like around like 156, 160. So that is not a boiling temperature. And the reason why is because you just want that aromatic to hit. Now don't worry, you're going to strain this, right? So I'm just gonna put that in there and you see that it's turning brown. Just a little FYI, when you steep roses, whether it's crushed roses in tea, rose buds that you got dried or whatever it is not going to turn red. So if you're looking for that, you need to put food coloring in, okay? I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar to that, so we all know that if you're doing any sort of simple syrup, it's a 50-50. When you put the two things in there after this is steeped for a good like 12 minutes, you'll dissolve your sugar, and this is enough for like 2 or 3 cocktails. You don't have to make a huge batch, but if you are gonna make a huge batch, you'll just go to designateddrinker.show and I will give you the recipe for batching this for a large garden party, if you will, for the spring. And what you're left with is this beautiful, like ambery, rosy, I can't describe, like a reddish color cocktail syrup, which is literally so beautiful. And I was gonna wipe, well, you can see it from the paper, it kind of has a red tint to it. So enjoy, embrace, and make flower cocktails in the spring. Cheers.